Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha. There are many people who apply makeup. Though I always say you don't need to apply makeup. Accept yourself as you are. You're so beautiful. Be happy with your identity, with what you are, how you look. But there are many people who work in different lines, like somebody's working in media, they have to be on camera, they need to apply makeup. Somebody's a stage performer, at stage it is a must to apply makeup. Same way, there are many people who have such kind of work that they need to apply makeup. Now, question is, you're applying chemical based makeup, you're applying chemical based cosmetics, and then at the end of the day, you're even cleansing your face with a chemical based cleanser. How unfortunate. So, when are we giving time to our skin to breathe? I will be sharing a very easy way, a very easy cleanser that's available in your own kitchen through which you can cleanse your face. That cleanser is pure organic coconut oil. Yes, you can cleanse your face with coconut oil. Nothing you have to do, just take few drops of coconut oil, apply it on your face nicely everywhere, even on your eyes and face and everywhere. Take a cotton or a plain cotton cloth and just wipe it nicely. Then rinse your face. All your makeup will be gone and there will be no side effect on your skin. But yeah, sometimes those people who have a lot of oily skin, they need to rinse their face properly and nicely after this. Those who have dry skin, they can also do one more thing. After rinsing their face, like you have applied coconut, you have cleansed your face and you have washed your face, take 2 drops of coconut oil and just massage it on your face, leave it overnight and rinse your face next morning. Such simple way, you will see that your skin will start glowing. Now, one more thing which you need to remember, there is a reason that coconut, listen to me carefully. There is a reason that coconut is kept in our temples. There is a reason that coconut is considered as so pious that it is kept in all of our prayers because it has lots and lots of health benefits. Drink coconut water, eat coconut, apply coconut oil. Even with the coconut hair, there are several medicines, Ayurvedic medicines that are made. So, coconut is something which is a blessing to all of us. Include coconut in your diet, include coconut oil in your day-to-day usage, and keep watching our program. Share this video with your loved